Good morning.
When I wake up in the morning, the first thing I want is coffee, but followed quickly behind that is breakfast.
In this video, I'm going to take you through my day as I spend it reviewing the Our Place Titanium Perfect Pot.
I usually like to scramble a few eggs for protein, and I found that using this new pan does a pretty good job. Now, it's not quite as non-stick as the brand's ceramic cookware line, but it does pretty good. Plus, when I'm done here, I can just tuck this in the dishwasher so I can get on with the rest of my day.
Nobody likes to wash dishes, right?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
When it's time for lunch, I'm fortunate enough I work from home, so I can just cook up anything from scratch. Today it's grilled cheese for lunch, and you can see the Always Perfect Pan Titanium Pro does a great job at browning without burning. So why is that?
You may have heard of this hex-clad cookware craze, and everybody's like, ooh, it's hex-clad, but nobody actually knows what that means. With these pans, it means they use what's called tri-ply construction, but don't take my word for it because the proof is in the pudding or in the bottom of the pan.
Let's zoom in. You can see the surface here is made up of 3 layers. There's a stainless steel base, a non-stick coating over that, and then those little titanium hexagons form almost like a protective mesh over top, which means you can use metal utensils like the one Our Place includes in the package. That's what makes these pans a good balance of non-stick while still allowing you to brown and sear like a pro.
Our Place also says these pots and pans don't use forever chemicals, which is basically a bunch of synthetic garbage, which comes in a lot of really cheap nonstick cookware. So do yourself a favor and toss all that really cheap cookware crap that you've probably got hanging around your kitchen, because I think in a few years we're going to find out it's killing us all. After working away here in my home office, staring into a screen for most of the day, I'm usually craving doing something kind of creative. And for me, I find cooking very creative, relaxing, and sometimes kind of therapeutic.
Tonight it's steak night, and check out that sizzle when I drop our super duper expensive piece of beef into the pan. Now don't get me started on the price of beef. We splurged on this for sure, so I really wanted to make sure it was cooked perfectly, and take a look at the crust the Our Place Perfect Pan Titanium was able to put onto this slab. The other thing I really appreciate about these pans is that I can do this. Slide it right from stovetop into the oven to finish it off by roasting it to perfection. The set is heat safe up to 535 degrees Celsius, which is actually higher than the brand's ceramic cookware line.
I tried a bunch more stuff in these pans and I was really impressed with them. And I like that you don't have to baby them like you do have to do with some cookware, because who's got time for that? At the end of the day, I can rest easy knowing these pans are an investment, but they're really gonna do the job.